Diets don't work, everyone, and we don't want you to diet or to be drawn into some diet culture. We don't want you to be depriving yourself all the time. We don't want you to feel like you have to eat cardboard to be healthy. We don't want you to see some short-term weight loss that then you just put back on. We don't want you to swing between two different ends of the pendulum on some yo-yo food and dieting journey. At Active8me, we want you to have a healthy relationship with food. We want you to follow principles, not rules. We want you to avoid the pull to the next diet, whether it's the ketogenic diet, the paleo diet, the Atkins diet, or the whatever diet. We want you to adopt healthy eating habits that will nourish your body and that you can embrace for the rest of your life. We want you to be mindful without being obsessed. We want you to eat in a balanced and pleasurable way. And we want you to see transformation that is lasting.